guys, today I will be showing you two different simple ways on how to tie your shoes. So if you don't know how to tie your shoes by now, this is the video for you. The first method that I will be showing you is called the round the loop method. Step 1. Create a basic knot. Take both laces and thread one of them over the other and pull tight. Step 2. Create a loop with your right shoelace, holding it between your thumb and first finger. Step 3. Use the other hand to wrap the other lace around the loop and pull it through the hole, creating a second loop. The second way is called the bunny ear method. Step 1. Start by creating a basic knot. Take both laces and thread one of them through the other. Step 2. Create two loops, or the so-called bunny ears, and hold one in each hand. And lastly, step 3. Take both loops and thread one of them over the other and pull tight to secure. Now that you have seen these two easy ways to tie your shoes, you will be able to do it for the rest of your life.